lumipat kami kasi yung ano pala is 1.8. Ito yung 1.2. Single bed lang. Yung 1.8 yung double bed. Although, meron pa rin siyang bathtub. And then, CR. Ito yung 1.2 single bed. Yung 1.8 ang dalawang bed. Nagkamali ng susi pagbigay.
Kain. Anto. Alis. Okay.
Again. He's so happy, the birthday boy.
Happy birthday, Timo.
Ito ka lang palagi. Ito lang, stop and yan ang toast and
Then
stop.
play.
Huwag mo pindot ito. Yung dalawa, yan.
One more. One more. Okay. One, two.